Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. We're going to be making this most amazing southern style slow cooker collards. We're going to be using smoked turkey legs. All the components for today's recipe can be found throughout the bottom of this video as well as in the description box that's under this video. So I have 2 pounds of collards that I've cut up. I've removed all the stalks and everything, cleaned them well, let them kind of hang out and dry in my colander. I have 6 cloves of garlic, 5 cups of, I'm using beef stock. You can use turkey stock, you can use chicken stock, vegetable stock, you can use bouillon for this as well. And also I'm going to add to that 1 cup of water. To my collards I added onion powder, salt, red pepper, black pepper. Add sugar. I'm also going to add a couple of teaspoons of Tony Saturate's Creole seasoning. A couple of tablespoons of vinegar. You can use white vinegar or apple cider. I'm also going to add a little bit of liquid smoke. We are using smoked turkey, but I like to add a little bit of liquid smoke. It's totally up to you. And this is my turkey leg from Protein Country. Find out more about Protein Country, go to their website. The address to their website can be found in the description box, and you can get $10 off your purchase if you enter in the code Tovia at the time of your purchase. I'm going to put the lid on my slow cooker. I'm going to let this go for about 6.5 hours on low. After about 3 hours, I'm going to give everything a stir. Make sure everything is, everything is nice and blended together. If you want to do this on high, you can do this for 4 hours on high. Make sure you stir it after 2. So I let my collards cook on low for 6 hours and 45 minutes. Remove the lid. I did stir it after about 3 hours. Oh, it smells amazing. So I'm going to just start shredding that turkey off the bone and start pulling out all these, extra skin and loose bones. So I'll be back once I get this all pulled off the bones. So I got all my turkey shredded. I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. I have some off to the side here. Smells absolutely delicious. This is going to be so good with my cornbread. So good. And I love that smoked turkey. So much flavor going on. And I just love the bit of spiciness from the red peppers. Please add this video to your playlist. Don't forget to check out my previous videos. Don't forget to stop by and check out Protein Country and use that discount code Tovia for $10 off. Thank you so much for watching and supporting, and I'll see you guys next time.